Did you know some plants can improve your health just by being in your house? That's right. Our homes are not just places to rest and relax. They're spaces where we can foster health and well-being. And one of the ways to do that is by bringing in certain types of plants. These aren't your typical ornamental plants, oh no. These green friends have properties that can contribute to a healthier living environment. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out which plants can make a big difference in your home. Starting off with the aloe vera plant. This green gem is more than just an eye-catching addition to your indoor plant collection. Aloe vera is well known for its air-purifying abilities. It actively works to cleanse your indoor air by eliminating harmful elements such as benzene and formaldehyde, common pollutants found in homes that can affect our health. But the benefits of aloe vera don't stop there. This plant is also a natural first aid kit. The gel inside its fleshy leaves holds magical healing properties. Whether you've accidentally nicked your finger while chopping veggies, or if you've spent a bit too long in the sun, the soothing gel of aloe vera can be your skin's best friend. Just slice open a leaf and apply the gel directly to the affected area. So you see, aloe vera is not just for sunburns. It's a natural air purifier, a healer, and an all-round indoor plant superhero. Aloe vera, not just for sunburns, but an indoor air purifier as well. Next up, meet the spider plant. This little green wonder is not just appealing to the eye, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to purifying the air in your home. It's a voracious eater of common indoor pollutants such as xylene and toluene. So if you're looking for a natural way to clean up your indoor air, the spider plant is your guy. But wait, there's more. This plant is not just for the green-thumbed among us. If you're new to the world of houseplants, the spider plant is a fantastic place to start. It's low maintenance, forgiving, and can thrive even in less than ideal conditions. And for all you pet owners out there, here's the cherry on top. The spider plant is non-toxic to cats and dogs. So, you can enjoy cleaner air without worrying about your furry friends. The spider plant, a great choice for first-time plant owners. Moving on to the snake plant. Now here's a green friend that's a real night owl. Unlike most plants, the snake plant has a unique talent. When the sun sets and most of the world is taking a breath in, the snake plant is breathing out. That's right, it releases oxygen at night. This makes it an excellent addition to your bedroom, helping to refresh the air while you catch your 40 winks. But the snake plant doesn't stop at oxygen. It's also a champion when it comes to filtering out common household toxins. We're talking about things like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene and toluene. So while you're dreaming of greener pastures, the snake plant is hard at work, making sure you wake up to a healthier and fresher environment. So go ahead, invite a snake plant into your home. It's one snake that won't bite, but will definitely freshen up your surroundings. The snake plant, a breath of fresh air, even at night. Introducing the bamboo palm. This tropical beauty does more than just add a touch of the exotic to your living space. It's a veritable breath of fresh air, quite literally. The bamboo palm is a powerhouse when it comes to purifying the air around you. It skillfully removes harmful toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. Imagine this. You're lounging in your living room, perhaps with a book in hand or watching your favorite show, and all the while your bamboo palm is quietly working to cleanse the air. And it's not just about purifying the air. The bamboo palm adds a touch of tropical charm to any room. With its lush green leaves and tall, elegant stems, it can transform any space into an oasis. So if you're looking for a plant that's both beautiful and beneficial, look no further. The bamboo palm, turning your home into a tropical paradise. Say hello to the peace lily. This luscious plant is more than just a pretty face. It's a warrior, silently combating invisible enemies in your living space. The peace lily, or spathiphyllum, has an impressive resume when it comes to purifying the air. This plant is known for its ability to remove toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde, two common household pollutants. But wait, there's more. The peace lily doesn't just take away the bad, it also adds some good. If you're living in a dry environment, this plant can be your personal humidifier. It increases the humidity levels in the room, making it a great addition to homes with dry air. And let's not forget its aesthetic appeal. With its glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers, the peace lily can spruce up any room with a touch of tranquility. It's an embodiment of peace and wellness. The peace lily, serenity and health in one plant. Next, we have the English ivy. A classic plant that's more than just a pretty face, this green powerhouse is known for its remarkable air-purifying abilities. In fact, the English ivy has been scientifically proven to reduce airborne fecal matter particles. Now, I know that might sound a bit off-putting, but in the world of indoor pollution, this is a big deal. But that's not all. The English ivy is also a formidable foe against formaldehyde, a common pollutant found in many household products. This plant diligently filters out this harmful compound, making your indoor environment safer and healthier. For those who are prone to allergies or have asthma, the English ivy can be a real game changer. Its air cleaning abilities can help alleviate these conditions, providing a breath of fresh air, quite literally. So, if you're looking for a plant that's both aesthetically pleasing and health boosting, consider welcoming this classic climber into your home. The English ivy, a classic plant with a powerful punch. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the lush world of indoor plants, each with its unique characteristics and health benefits. Let's do a quick recap. We kicked off with the aloe vera, a succulent that doubles as a handy first aid kit thanks to its healing properties. We then moved on to the spider plant, a hardy houseplant that works tirelessly to purify the air in your home. Next up was the snake plant, a resilient beauty that releases fresh oxygen at night, promoting better sleep. We also explored the bamboo palm, a tropical delight that helps to humidify the air, making it a great pick for dry climates or winter months. We then delved into the world of the peace lily, a plant that not only brightens up your space with its glossy foliage and white blooms, but also helps to remove harmful toxins from the air. And lastly, we featured the English ivy, a charming climber that is known for its air-purifying abilities, making it a valuable addition to any home. These plants aren't just for show, they work day in and day out to improve your indoor air quality, boost your mood, and even enhance your focus and productivity. Remember, each plant has its own care requirements, so be sure to understand those before you bring them home. Turn your home into a healthy green oasis with these amazing plants. Until next time, stay green!